Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. So just wanted to do like a little first impressions of this bad boy right here. This is the Godox V1. Recently purchased this and used it a week and a half ago on our first wedding of the year. So just kind of want to do just the first impressions, just kind of tell you my experience with it using it during that wedding and just how I like it so far. And I'm also going to show y'all a couple images from that wedding when I used this flash. I used it during the reception and also during the ceremony. I just bounced it off the wall. Had white walls everywhere, so I just bounced it. And yeah, so a couple things that I like about this flash. The main thing is the rechargeable battery. That's a big deal to me, and this battery lasted the whole wedding. I think it wasn't even like halfway low towards the end of the wedding, so I don't know exactly how long it lasts. I would have to look that up and maybe I'll put it on the screen, but the battery life is really good on this flash, and that's a big deal to me because I don't want to be switching out a lot of batteries or buying a lot of batteries. Also with this, the recycle time is very fast. I didn't have like a bunch of misfires, and it just recycles lightning fast compared to my Godox. I think it's the TT685, so I didn't have any issues with that. And also it has a modeling lamp feature. It's not super bright, but it can help you in low light conditions. Maybe you're just having trouble focusing. You could use this modeling lamp. Like I said, it's not super strong, but it's just an additional feature that I don't have on any of my other flashes. So that can come in handy, and maybe I'll test that out in the future more and just let you know how I like that feature. With this speed light also, I do think it is more powerful than a regular speed light. Don't hold me to that, but I think it is. For the wedding, I just had it at about 132. I think I may have switched it to 116, but from what I've seen, this thing has a lot of power. Once again, I would have to check and see if it's stronger than the actual other flash I have, the Godox TT685, but it does have a lot of power. Also, I forgot to mention, I like how the head is, you could change that in any direction compared to my other speed light. So it just makes it easy. On a wedding day, you have to be fast, or I just like how you can quickly adjust it based on just where you're trying to bounce flash off of. Like if I have, I just need to adjust it quick to the right because I have a wall to my right. I could just go like this, or switch it to the other side. Sorry, but I just feel like that really comes in handy with just how flexible this top head is. And with the speed light, I also got this accessory kit. It's the AK-R1. So you can also use this on the Godox 200. I haven't tried it yet, but the Godox 200 has the round head attachment. So you could use this accessory kit with the 200. So that really, kind of sold me on this too, that I could use this with the 200 too, these accessories. So with this V1, it has magnets right here. So it's kind of like MagMod, kind of how they have the magnetic type attachment, so it makes it easy to put the attachments, so it just pops on like that. So I really like that. So with the AK-R1, this is one of the accessories. So it's a grid to control spill. You just pop that on, and this is a dome diffuser, kind of like the MagMod, way smaller, but this is what I use for the wedding. And you could just pop that on too. And I like how with this, it's just super easy with the magnets to just pop it on and off, and to just change things out, or maybe you need to gel something. It's just super fast compared to other stuff I use. Kind of pricey, but I definitely feel like it's worth it. So with the AK-R1 accessories, you also get gels. So if you need to gel your flash, you got the CTO gels. You get this little accessory. If you want to bounce light, you can put this on top. So you'll just kind of take that off, but you can put it on top like that. So that'll kind of be acting like a mag bounce. Also has a snoot. I think that's a snoot, right? Never used one. And it has the little barn door attachment too. So you could put this all on the V1, and you could also put it on the Godox 200. So a cool little kit. Like I said, super easy to use. It's not super cheap. I forget how much it was. I think it was like 60 bucks. But I'm going to have all this stuff linked in the description if you want to check it out or purchase it. But this combo, I'm definitely going to use this a lot in the future. I really liked what I produced for the wedding. And I'm going to show y'all some of those images right now. All right, y'all. So going to show y'all some of the images that I use this flash for. So let's get to it. Get in this gallery. Okay, so like I said, I use them for the ceremony. I'll just kind of show y'all some of these images. This is one right here. Look pretty clean. Let's see what else I got. So yeah, I think the images look really good. Like I said, just use them for the ceremony. Let me go to the reception and show y'all that. Reception. Some good expressions right here. The bride's mom. It's another one. Just trying to show y'all some different variety. So yeah, those are some of the images. Like I said, really happy with the results. This is just kind of like first impression. I just used it for that one wedding so far, so I'm excited to use it with more photo shoots. I definitely think you should check out this flash if you're looking for a speed light. It's not cheap. I think it was $200 some. If you're looking for a flash, this has everything you need. And when you pair that with the AK-R1, I think you cannot go wrong for your flash setup. So if you're watching this video, then you're probably interested in flash, off-camera flash. So I actually have a series on my channel where I cover everything about off-camera flash. I'll talk about settings, different modifiers, and just tips and tricks to help you get better with off-camera flash. So if you want to check out that series, I'm going to link it in the card up top this way. I always get it mixed up. So definitely check out that series, and also leave a comment down below if you have this flash and how you like it so far, or maybe you're just thinking about getting it. Let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace.